Hi friends, welcome to our community, Simple Beauty Secrets. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the best treatments I've come across to help you fight acne, scars, and uneven pigmentation. I use it myself. This secret remedy will give you clear, beautiful skin. Even better, it costs only a few dollars. As you know, commercial remedies can cost you a fortune. There's only one main ingredient in this recipe. You can use it twice a day and get unbelievable results. I'll bet you're wondering what it is. Any guesses? Okay, here's the clue so you won't be using your regular cleanser after you use this one. But first, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Simple Beauty Secrets. So I present you with the amazing remedy of a soap. Yes, a soap which you can prepare yourself at home. I call this remedy Neem soap. That may sound strange, but trust me, it's the best anti-blemish soap you could ever find. I like this Neem soap because it's one of the best to do its job, can be prepared easily at home, and the ingredients used are completely natural. These powerful ingredients fight against bacteria and other harmful pathogens that might otherwise enter your skin. Rich in vitamins C and E, this soap will cleanse your skin and hydrate it. It also helps your skin heal. I introduced this soap to a friend who had suffered from terrible acne with bad scarring for 5 years. After using this soap for only 2 weeks, her skin is fresh as a newborn's. In fact, she calls me to thank me for telling her about this powerful soap. You must be very eager to know more about this Neem soap. Like a good and caring friend, I'll gladly teach you everything about this special soap free of charge. Just pay attention to the details and closely follow the instructions. To make your Neem soap, buy some neem leaves. You'll need about a handful. If you can't find them locally, they're available online. Then rinse them in a strainer to remove any dust. Put the neem leaves in a mixer jar and blend them until they form a smooth juice. Use the strainer to extract the leaves from the juice. Put the extracted pure neem leaves paste in a container for now. Using a double boiler method, add your soap base or a glycerin soap to the pot and heat it until it melts. When the soap base has become liquid, add 1 tablespoon of pure leaf paste and stir it continually. Simmer the mixture for about 10 minutes before adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Finally, add 1 capsule of vitamin E and stir the mixture continuously over medium heat for another 5 minutes. By now, your mixture has reached its final consistency. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. So what do you think about the recipe so far? Is it easy to make or not? We'd love to have your feedback in the comments section. Also, please like this video and subscribe to Simple Beauty Secrets. You can use any kind of mold to give this soap a shape. Grease it with petroleum jelly so it will unmold easily. Pour your mixture into the mold and freeze it for an hour. When it's hardened, your Neem soap is ready to use. You can use this soap on your face or body to get clear, flawless skin. Neem has so many benefits. I use this soap twice a day, in the morning and before bed. Since I've started using this soap, I've not had any breakouts, acne, pimples, scars, or marks. So if you want to get your skin well protected, make this soap today and stop using those expensive commercial cleansers. Rub the soap on your skin and allow it to sit for 30 minutes before you rinse. This will remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. This soap will last for weeks before you prepare another one. If you like, you can make larger batches and store the bars in your freezer until needed. Try out this DIY homemade soap today and start enjoying its benefit. Let us know if you try it in the comments section. Your feedback is really important. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye!